Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Peace. Well, today we'll be making rice balls. So in a saucepan of water, I'll add some salt and then some chili flakes. This is optional, you just add if you like chili. Then a little oil so that the rice doesn't stick in the saucepan. Now that our water is boiling, I'll go ahead and add our rice. Shall stir and cover. I forgot to add onions. I'll add them now. We have to remove the rice before it's very tender, but this is a good type of rice because it sticks. It sticks the way we want it to be, because rice balls are good when you're using sticky rice. You let it cook depending on the type of rice you have. This rice gets ready quickly and it's sticky, so we'll have to remove it earlier. So our rice is now ready. I'll set it aside as I prepare the coating mixture. So in our dish, I'll go ahead and add cassava flour. This is plain cassava flour. Then I'll go ahead and add turmeric powder. This is for color. You can add in any spices you want, but right now I'm making it the easiest way, the one we used to eat in our childhood. And then you add a little salt. Then you go ahead and put water and mix to a thick paste. So I'll mix out. So that's the turmeric turning that color. You just keep on adding water until you get your desired texture. So when you're going to start rolling the balls, you need some water in a dish where you'll be dipping your hand as you pick the rice, so that it doesn't stick on your hands. So you just keep on touching in the water like that, and then you make this. So this is the bowl we are looking for. Then you dip your hand again and repeat the same thing. So you keep repeating this until you're done with all the rice. But always remember to dip your hand in water, because right now you can see the rice is not sticking on my hands. Right there, our rice balls. We are done with the rolling, so it's time for frying them. So right here, I'll go ahead and add oil in our saucepan. I think that will be enough. So right here, I'll take the balls and put in our butter, just like that. Then I'll go ahead and drop it in the oil. So I'll just keep on adding until I'm done with this. So we shall just be turning them a little until they are done. Then we put another batch. This batch is done. So right now I'll remove it. Look at that. It's really sunny here, but there's no changing. It rained outside, and this is the only place where I can work from now. So these ones are ready too. So this is our final thing. These are our rice balls and they are ready for eating. Please try them out. They are really nice. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.